Health Solution presents Spirit Seeking with Pratick.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick. I was just going through my first video, which was on nothingness. Thank you so much for such an overwhelming response on the video. C Beams says, I am so grateful there weren't 5+ friends. There actually were 5 friends, but we reduced it for you. And similarly, EAVDR FBV says, man, you transmit so much peace. I sobbed. Thank you everybody. And in that context, let's begin our journey of thankfulness. Let me start with a story again. I love kings and kingdoms. Once upon a time, there was a king, and in his palace came a beggar. The king, being the graceful and the generous king he was, gave the beggar a $10 note. The beggar went away. And after about an hour, the beggar came back and asked for another $10 from the king. The king said, I just gave you a $10 note an hour ago. What did you do with that? The beggar said, I still have it. I just want another $10. The king got so angry that he took the first $10 that he had given to the beggar. The beggar went away, sad and displeased. After about an hour, another beggar came, and he said, alms for the poor, please. The king handed a $10 note to that beggar too, but with uncertainty in his mind. After an hour, the beggar came back. The king got angry. Are you here to ask for another $10? Said the king. The beggar said, no. I was just passing by and I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for giving me that $10. I still have it. I just spent $5. I still have the other 5 in my pocket. I just wanted to say thank you. The king got so happy that he called the beggar in the palace and gave him another $10. This is how existence works. This is how the cosmos works. This is how the universe works. The more you thank it for whatever you have in your life, the more it tends to give you. And I speak from experience. And if you ask for more, the universe might actually take away whatever you have. Look around. Count your blessings. Experiment with this law of thankfulness. I have felt it in my life. Have you felt it in yours? Let us know. Tell us how the law of thankfulness has worked in your life. Tell us what are the things that you have received. Tell us the ways you show your gratitude to the universe, to the cosmos. Tell us the different tools in which we can express our thankfulness to the universe. Let's build a community of thankful people. Let's see if it works. If you like whatever is happening here, we're trying to create a new generation of human beings who are more thankful to whatever they have. If you like what you're seeing here, press that like button. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to us, and we'll make sure that we bring you more content like these. Thank you. Until next time.